Next, E, the atomic symbol for xenon, which is element number 54 on the periodic table, and has an atomic mass of 131.29 AMU, AMU standing for atomic mass unit. The subatomic particles, including protons, neutrons, and electrons, which make up xenon, have their own amount of these particles. There are 54 protons in xenon, 77 neutrons, and the same amount in electrons as protons, being 54 as well. And protons and electrons have the same amount of particles in every element on the periodic table of elements. Xenon's classifications include the group or family it is part of, what properties the specific group has, if it is metal or non-metal, and what state of being it is in. Xenon is part of the last group on the periodic table, group 18. Which is the group that is the least reactive on the entire table. Xenon is also part of the small group of noble gases, meaning it is in the gas state. Because xenon is on the right side of the staircase, which splits metal and non-metal elements, xenon is a non-metal element. Xenon has a few interesting facts, such as who discovered the element and when it was discovered, and how it was discovered. Xenon was discovered just before the 20th century in 1898 by two gentlemen named Sir William Ramsay and Morris Travers. These men found xenon in the University of London by examining the spectra emitted by the residue left over by evaporating components of liquid air, which means that they realized that they discovered xenon. Do I know what any of that means? It is used in lights because of its pretty glow given after an electric discharge. Xenon lamps have applications as quick flashbulbs used by photographers and bactericidal lamps used in food processing. Xenon's properties. Xenon's physical properties are that the element is odorless, colorless, and tasteless. It is nothing special compared to other elements, but also has other chemical properties, including it is a noble gas that forms true chemical compounds and is very unreactive. An interesting fact about xenon is that by itself, it is not toxic at all. However, its compounds that make up xenon are extremely toxic and can possibly kill you because they're such high oxidizers. Anyway, that's xenon for you. It is number 54 on the periodic table of elements. Yeah.